When that started, I said to the people, I said, okay, what kind of scholarships do you have? Well, okay, there's math, there's science, and so on. So we picked 3. I said, I want you to have one more. And they said, what's that? I said, 110% award. And that goes to the person that can't make it. You know, there are kids that try so hard, they come out of a broken home, and maybe they don't have the encouragement, but they try to excel, but they can't make it. They either haven't got it upstairs, or they don't have the right encouragement, or whatever. And I said, I want you, teacher, to find one person in that school that tried terribly hard, and I said, even if he made only 50%, I said, I want you to give it to him. They thought I was just great. And David and I have that in mind for the University of Lethbridge. Yeah, we want to have a scholarship out there for the person that tries tremendously hard, but he'll never get top marks.